Unlocking powerful expression. Mastering transitional words and phrases for cause and effect. Hello, language learners. Today we're going to delve into an important aspect of advanced English vocabulary: transitional words and phrases for cause and effect. These words and phrases are the glue that holds our sentences together, allowing us to express complex ideas in a clear and organized manner. Let's get started. Cause and effect transitions help us to show relationships between different events or concepts. They enable us to express why something happened, cause, and what happened as a result, effect. It's important to have these transitions in our vocabulary arsenal because they allow us to demonstrate a clear understanding of a sequence of events or the flow of ideas. There are numerous cause and effect transitional words and phrases. Some examples include: for cause transitions we have words like because, due to, as a result of, owing to. For effect transitions we have consequently, as a result, therefore, thus. Using these transitions properly can greatly enhance your English writing and speaking. Let's see how we can use these transitions in sentences. Cause transitions. Due to the heavy rain, the match was postponed. Owing to his hard work, he was promoted. Effect transitions. She studied hard for the test, consequently, she got a high score. He forgot his umbrella, and as a result, he got wet in the rain. Notice how these sentences clearly communicate the cause and effect relationship, allowing for better understanding and coherence in our message. It's crucial to remember that these transitional words or phrases should accurately reflect the relationship between your ideas. A common mistake is using a cause and effect transition where there is no such relationship. For instance, incorrect: I enjoy reading books, therefore I am going to the gym. Correct: I enjoy staying healthy, therefore I am going to the gym. And that wraps up our exploration of cause and effect transitional words and phrases. By now, you should have a good understanding of what they are, some common examples, and how to use them correctly. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to incorporate these transitions into your daily conversations and written communications. Thanks for joining me today, and keep learning.